Asazi guys ukuthi ke sekwenze njani manje phakathi kaNkosazana noDonga kodwa kuthiwa there is trouble in paradise. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on My Brother's Keeper from the 23rd to the 27th of September 2024 on Monday. Donga proposes to Khathazile that they have a trial run to see how their new arrangement will work. Nomsa is back at home with Nqubeko. They undervow to heal together on Tuesday. Khathazile gives in to Donga's demands. Nomsa laughs again for the first time after a long period of misery on Wednesday. Khathazile struggles with the changes in her marriage and wants the person who caused the trouble to be held accountable. Nomsa apologized for her recent actions on this day. Donga grows frustrated and disappointed in Nkosazana's offering when his expectations of her are unmet. Mshengu is in the seventh heaven when the prospect of reviving his business becomes tangible on Friday. There is trouble in paradise between Donga and Nkosazana, while Mshengu is optimistic about a potential investor and the Shabbos next comes back. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.